After obtaining an empty pallet for US or Euro configuration, center the bottom pallet wrap onto the empty pallet, reflective side down. Place the honeycomb pad on top of the bottom wrap and proceed to place the payload onto the pallet containing the wrap and pad. Select the correct pallet quilt cover based on the payload height and unwrap by hand to remove plastic packaging. To adjust for height, the cover can be cuffed by folding the bottom to the interior of the pallet quilt as needed. Place the pallet quilt on top of the payload and pull down over each corner to allow the pallet quilt to be brought down to cover the entire payload. Apply the pallet band over the quilt and bring down as close to the bottom of the pallet quilt as possible. Seal the bottom wrap by pulling up and under the pallet band around the entire circumference of the payload. For final shipping preparation, apply corner guards and strapping per your site's designated procedures.